Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful Italian restaurant layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the Italian restaurant layout pack for Divi. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really clean and modern. There are high quality images included, and this just overall looks like a very high quality layout pack. So if you want to lay your hands on it, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs, or you can scroll down until you come across the Italian restaurant layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that are included within this layout pack. So these are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the layouts for yourself without actually having to install them on your website first. So say for instance, you really enjoyed the landing page and you want to get started with it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So as soon as you start building a new page with Divi, you'll get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here we have all of our different layouts again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Italian restaurant layout pack. Select your layout of choice and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course, you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes to your entire page design. So say for instance, you want this row over here with the CTA and the phone number to turn sticky as soon as people scroll by it. You can do that by opening the row over here. And first we'll remove the default top padding by adding 0 pixels. And then we'll go to the advanced tab, and in the scroll effects, we're going to change this sticky position to stick to top. And as we are scrolling, we can see it stick to the top. Now we can also change the column 2 background color in a sticky state. So we want this to be white as soon as it's turned sticky. And there you go. So you can basically do that for each and every element within Divi and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.